Welcome to Blue Lagoon.
Ay, picture tayo din, Mala. Ito, solo natin, oh.
Sarap sa itlog.
Okay na?
Yes.
Ayun pala yung bar. First mask?
Yes, so you actually have 3 masks.
Ah, okay.
If you want, I would recommend you start with the last one.
Okay.
Exfoliate the scrub, put it off for 3 to 5 minutes, and then the silly pad, please.
Okay. So, the first one, yeah, sure.
Yes.
And where can we, like, remove it afterwards?
Anywhere in the water.
Ah, okay. Thank you so much.
Saan ka punta? Lagay kami tayo ng kalabaw. May tsura niya, oh. Umabol sa Halloween.
Ang pangit na itsura ko, mahal ko eh.
You're waiting. It seems like the line
Bakit?
Apo, kain mo na.
Thank you. Alagay, pampaganda, para hindi ko siya iwanan. Ang asawa ko, nagpaganda, naglagay ng tayo ng gagamba. Ang lalim ng tubig, asawa ko, nagpaganda.
Libre na.
Mandito tayo ngayon sa libreng painom ni Mayor. Ano? Sa'yo? Red wine?
Apo. Kung may red wine, kung wala white wine. Kung wala beer na lang.
One beer and one... Do you have red wine? And order the red wine.
And red wine only, yeah? Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Ano ko na?
Naghahanap tayo ng pwesto kung saan pwedeng saan may camera maganda na pwedeng mabasa.
Di ba may GoPro ka?
Mary Day, and thanks for coming to hear me ramble on. No, we host it every day. But before I start, yes, like my lovely colleague said, my name is Nadine, and I kind of want to know a little bit more first where you guys are. So, anybody here from North America? Yeah. Okay. You agree?
Yeah.
Okay. I thought I was gonna get a chance to. Okay, but no. Okay. South America? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Asia?
Yeah!
Okay.
Already did the black and the white, and I don't know what's this.
Can I first do for you the lip balm?
Are you up? Yeah. There you go.
Thank you.
So now you have 2 options, either the algae mask anti-aging or the mineral mask moisturizing for sensitive skin. Yeah, wanna go? Go.
Mexican again. Yeah.
Sabi mo sa mga Laguna. Ha?
Nice one.
Nakikita niyo ba? Kakainin ko sana eh. Bato pala. Ubus niya. Ubus ko. Una ka na.
Alam mo,
Sunod ako.
hindi magbabayad.
Dali na. Pag di ako bumalik, ibig sabihin nagugas na ako ng plato.
Ayun, tubig.
Isa.